The saying goes, morning shows the day, and Lal Bahadur Shastri proved it right. Esteemed Principal Sir, respected Supervisor Ma'ams, my dear colleagues, and my loving students. Today we all have gathered here to remember a great and worthy son of India. He is none other than Lal Bahadur Shastri. His name itself is synonymous with competence, down to earth, humility, and hard work. Our words will fall short to describe such a great personality. He worked more than 30 years for our country. Now, it's time to offer him for our tribute. I request our respected supervisor men and senior teachers to offer floral tribute. Lal Bahadur Shastri was only 16 when Mahatma Gandhi called upon the countrymen to join the non-cooperation movement. Lal Bahadur Shastri at once responded. He was influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. His philosophy of hard work is equal to prayer was his philosophy. His slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, during 1965 war boosted the morale of the soldiers as well as farmers. Let's listen about him from our respected Susri Sweta Padmasini Madam, PGT Mathematics. Ma'am, please.
A very good morning to one and all. Esteemed Principal Sir, dear colleagues and my dear students. Far from the immortal and legendary figures of India echoes the nostalgic voice of Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. In every nook and cranny of the country, the death anniversary of Shastriji is being observed. I feel deeply elated being given an opportunity to express a few words on this occasion. The lofty ideals of Shastriji have overcome milestones from the lives of all Indians. On his 55th death anniversary, people still are overwhelmed by his unique traits, the way he connected to the common man. Humble, soft-spoken, but a strong leader, Lal Bahadur Shastri took over as Prime Minister in May 1964 after the death of Jawaharlal Nehru. In independent India's first cabinet, Lal Bahadur Shastri held key portfolios like the Home Affairs and the Railways. Being deeply inspired by Gandhiji, once he proclaimed that true democracy or the Swaraj of the masses can never come through untruthful and violent means, for the simple reason that the natural corollary to their use would be to remove all opposition through the suppression or extermination of the antagonist. Moreover, he was such a political figure who made many unprecedented changes in Indian society. During his tenure, his special emphasis on education and women upliftment are scintillating instances we can dedicate our love and reverence to him. The perennial source of inspiration breathed his last on 11th January 1966. Since then, the never extinguished flame of Shastriji has been igniting the minds of the Indians. Let the never-ending soul of this paramount leader inspire each and every Indian who will definitely release the glorious sunshine in the days to come. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you, madam. Now we'll go for a virtual celebration.
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. This is the famous slogan said by our second Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. A very pleasant good morning to one and all. This is Alanath Prushti of 9D from LRD Public School. Today, I am highly privileged to speak a few lines on our former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Everyone knew that Lal Bahadur Shastri is a prominent leader in India. Not only Indians, but also the whole world respects him a lot. Lal Bahadur Shastri has been a person whose personality is impossible to express in a very few words. He served as the Minister of Home Affairs, as the Minister of External Affairs, and Minister of Railway. He was born on 2nd October 1904 at Uttar Pradesh and died on 11th January 1966. We celebrate his birth anniversary as Shastri Jayanti and his death anniversary as Lal Bahadur Shastri Smriti Divas. When Lal Bahadur Shastri became the Prime Minister in 1964, at that time people were living in poverty. The main aim of Lal Bahadur Shastri was to reduce the increasing price of the food items. So he requested everyone to leave their one time meal of the day so that the demand of the poor people could be fulfilled. Honesty is the core value of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna after his death. During the India-Pakistan war, when Pakistan sent his infiltrators in Kashmir, Lal Bahadur Shastri in his speech at Red Fort said, "ईंट का जवाब हम पत्थर से देंगे." Jai Hind. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day ahead.
Respected ma'am, myself Shruti Bastia. I study in standard 3B. My roll number is 11. I am going to be speak about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh. He was the second child of Sarada Prasad and Ram Dulari Devi. In 1926, he got graduated from Kas Vidyapat. He joined the Indian independent movement in 1921. He was one of the greatest freedom fighter of India. He got the nickname of Man of Peace. He was the second Prime Minister of India. He raised his voice against the dowry system and the caste system. He promoted the green revolution to increase the food production and white revolution to increase milk production. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He got India's most prestigious award Bharat Ratna in 1966 after his death. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Bhumika Patnaik, of class 8A, got a golden opportunity to stand before you and speak a few lines about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was a prominent public figure and freedom fighter of India. He is worldwide famous as the second Prime Minister of this independent India. He has also served many Minister of External Affairs, Minister of Home Affairs, and Minister of also Railways. This country is now at the path of development under his leaderships. The ideologies of Mahatma Gandhi had influenced him a lot. He always used to serve the country and never let his royalty and truth decline even after independence. He was a true follower of simple living, high thinking, for which the whole world adored him. Shastri died in Tashkent, Uzbekistan on 11 January 1966, one day after signing a peace treaty to end the Indo-Pakistan War. Many among Shastri's supporters and close relatives refused at that time and have refused since to believe the circumstances of his death and alleged foul play. Thank you.
I am grateful to our ever principal sir for his relentless guidance. I am thankful to our supervisor ma'ams, house in church, house coordinator, and all my dear students. Thank you all.